What would you do if you found a notebook that could kill anyone just by writing their name? This is exactly what happened to Light Yagami, a genius high school student. Today, we'll dive into episode 1 of Death Note, where everything begins: Light's discovery, the first shocking death, and the appearance of the mysterious Shinigami, Yuke. Light Yagami is a top student, brilliant and disciplined, living in Tokyo. He's tired of ordinary life and hates crime. To him, the world is messy and corrupt, but he has no idea his life is about to change forever. One day, Light notices a strange notebook lying on the school grounds. On its cover, it says, "Death Note, the human whose name is written in this note shall die." At first, he thinks it's a prank, until he tests it. He writes the name of a criminal he sees on TV. Minutes later, the man dies exactly as described. Shocked, Light realizes this notebook can control life and death. If you found a notebook like this, what would you do first? Comment below. After testing the Death Note for the first time on a criminal in a hostage situation, Light Yagami is still not fully convinced that the notebook is real. He thinks, maybe it's just a coincidence. So he decides to test it one more time, carefully, logically, like a genius student would. Light chooses a criminal shown on the news, a man riding a motorcycle and harassing innocent people on the street. This time, Light is not emotional. He is cold, calm, and scientific. Light writes in the Death Note, criminal's full name. He imagines the criminal's face. Cause of death, accident. Then he waits. No dramatic reaction. No fear. Just observation. A few seconds later, the criminal loses control of his bike. He crashes violently into a truck. He dies on the spot. At that exact moment, Light realizes something terrifying. The Death Note is real. Inside the notebook are rules that govern life and death. 1. The person's name and face must match. Though, cannot kill someone without a real identity. 3. You can specify the method of death, otherwise it's a heart attack. Light is stunned. At first, he hesitates, but soon, curiosity and a sense of justice begin to take over. Light decides to test the notebook's power on a criminal on TV. As he writes the name, tension builds. Within moments, the criminal dies of a sudden heart attack. Light watches, a mix of fear and fascination in his eyes. In this moment, Light crosses the line between an ordinary student and someone who believes he can control life and death. Encouraged by his first test, Light decides to push the boundaries. He targets 2 more criminals whose names and faces he knows from the news. This time, he wants to see if he can control the method of death. Writing carefully, Light specifies their deaths. One dies of a heart attack, the other, he tries a more detailed method. Within minutes, both criminals die exactly as he imagined. Light's confidence grows. The notebook isn't just a toy, it's a weapon, a tool to reshape the world according to his own sense of justice. He begins thinking, if I can control death, I can punish all criminals. Feeling empowered by his successes, Light decides to test his control over the Death Note further. 2 more criminals, known for their crimes, become his subjects. Carefully, he writes their names, this time specifying how one should die. Moments later, both deaths occur exactly as written. Light realizes the full potential of this notebook. The thrill of power begins to consume him. Then, the unexpected happens. A Shinigami named Yuke appears. He explains that he dropped the Death Note in the human world out of boredom. Yuke warns Light, every choice has consequences, but he is here only to watch. Light now realizes he is not alone in this game of life and death. Episode 1 sets the stage for Light's journey as Kira. He has discovered unimaginable power, committed his first act, and met Yuke, the Shinigami who will watch him unfold. But is Light a hero or a villain? The next episode will show his first steps as the world's new god of justice. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, comment what you would do if you had the Death Note, and subscribe for full Death Note episode explanations.